What's up, everybody? It is Kiki. Kiki.
It's Kiki and RJ, and we are
Team Reese.
Team Reese.
We're about to look at some Christmas lights. If you are new here, thank you very much for stopping by. And if you're not new, welcome back.
We getting ready to go check out some Christmas lights, y'all. So come on, let's go. Look at that.
That's the address?
This is one of them, I think. Whoa. Let's go this way.
We had our house decorated like that.
I know, that's a lot of decorations, huh? Look at how pretty. Look at that. Santa's workshop. So pretty, RJ.
Yep.
Gorgeous. Look, RJ.
Which address are we going to go to?
We're just looking at all of them. I said we're just looking at all of them.
What do you say? I couldn't hear you.
I said we're just going to look at all the ones we find. Look at that, RJ. Look at this big, huge snowman.
Did you just say big snowman?
Yeah, look at this house. So pretty.
Did you mean that one?
No, this one right here. You see?
Yeah.
How nice. Look at this one in front of us, babe. Look at that, RJ. Isn't that pretty?
Whoa!
Whoa. See how nice that is?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. That's so pretty.
Yep.
Simple but pretty. Classic white lights. Oh. Look at all this.
Is this where we went trick-or-treating?
No, this is not where we went trick-or-treating. Look, babe.
I want some cold air, Mommy.
Isn't that pretty?
Yep. Can you roll it down some more?
Okay, hold on. Look at that, babe. You hear the music playing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's Frozen too.
Was that Frozen too?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
It was like, oh, man.
This is really, really nice, boo. What you think?
Outstanding.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Can you please roll it over?
Okay. RJ, look at Mickey and Minnie. Two Minnies and Olaf. Isn't that pretty?
Yep.
Look. Look at that.
I saw one of them.
Look at all of that, babe. Isn't that pretty?
And look at that.
Yeah.
It's like doing this.
Look at that big, huge Santa Claus. Oh, there it is. There it is, boats.
That's it?
That's it.
Yay!
Just think of that house.
That is an outstanding job.
Yeah. The Grinch. Pretty.
Yep.
Is that it? We're going home? Okay.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for watching. We had a good time looking at Christmas lights, y'all. We just went like really around our own little city, looking at people's lights on lights on people's houses, and it was really nice. We found a lot of good houses, so we had a good time. We hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Please remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a video. And until the next vlog, which will be tomorrow for Vlogmas. What? Go ahead.
Team Reese
all day.